hello second graders. You should be looking at page 111. 111. Fine, make sure you have this page, 111. Okay, look at the special sounds on the top. Say them with me. Ready? And asleep. A, all and also. A, L, all. So, number 1 says add or all before each root word. These are prefixes, right? So a prefix goes in front. You may do this now. Okay? If you're back with me, look at the bear claw. A prefix, right, is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a root word to change the meaning and make a new word. Not something that we're not familiar with already. Okay, so they give you the example, plus sleep is asleep. All right? So, number 2 wants us to underline the root word and circle the prefix. You may pause the video and get that done. All right, number 3. Color the circle next to each sentence using the color key. So you're going to need red, green, yellow, and blue crayons. You may stop the video and get those crayons. All right, so now if you're back with me, let's read the first sentence. Great Britain is an island across the Atlantic Ocean. So is this telling, asking, great surprise, or giving a command? Read it again. Great Britain is an island across the Atlantic Ocean. Well, we see it has a period at the end, so we know it can't be an interrogative. I think this is a declarative. Color that circle red. If you don't have a red crayon with you, just put an R beside it. The second sentence. Did you know that England, Scotland, and Wales are part of Great Britain? Well, we got 2 clues here. Did you know? Well, of course, that's a question, and we have a question mark at the end, so that is a interrogative. Color it green. If you don't have a green crayon, then put an I beside the circle. Okay, look at the next one. Read a book about Great Britain to find out more. Read a book. That's giving you a command. That is a what? Imperative. Color the circle blue or put a I am by that. And the last one, I was so surprised. Well, there you go. It's exclamatory, right? But let's finish reading it. I was so surprised that some of my favorite stories were written in Great Britain. Exclamatory. Color the circle yellow or put an E beside the circle if you don't have a yellow crayon. All right, look at your dictation. Don't forget the special sound E in Brownie, I-E, as you're writing some of these special sounds. I'm going to say a word. You write the special sound on the blank. The first one is cookie. K-U-K-E, cookie. There are 2 special sounds in that word. E, cookie. The next one, mildly. 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 Mild and child, ly and slowly. Mildly. And the last one, they. They. This is going to trick some of you, I bet. Well, we know what the is, right? But what about this A? Is this going to be A and pray? No. It's going to be A and obey, E-Y, they, like they went on a trip. All right, the last box there, you're going to fill in the blank, okay? So listen carefully the first time as I read it through. Don't try to write anything. Then after the second time, fill in the blank. So just listen carefully. I thought the gingerbread was yummy. I thought the gingerbread was yummy. Go. I thought the gingerbread. Oh, that was a tough one. But let's look at all these special sounds we got. The, alt, right? Thought. Ginger, bread, gingerbread, and this would be was yummy. I'll take that page and flip it over to the back. Number 1, write one of each kind of sentence using some of the words below about food in Great Britain. So let's read the words in the purple box. We're going to go across. Scones, which are sweet biscuits, and then biscuits, which are cookies. We say, I like lemon cookies, but over in Great Britain, they would say, I like lemon biscuits, and that would mean cookies. And muffins are rolls. Well, we know muffins are in a little paper thing, you know, they're round, but for them, they call rolls muffins. Bangers and mash, that's sausages and mashed potatoes. Bubble and squeak, and that is dinner made of fried vegetables like cabbage and potatoes. For me. All right, so declarative sentence is telling. So we could say, I don't think I like bubble and squeak breakfast or something. Interrogative, do you like to eat scones? Exclamatory, bangers and mash sounds awful, right? Imperative, I will not eat any muffins. Okay, so you can pick out your own, pause the video, get those sentences written. Don't forget capital letters and periods, exclamation points, or question marks. Okay, if you're back with me now, look at number 2. Carol dropped a box of biscuits, which in America we would call cookies. And now they are broken into halves. Put them back together to make words. Write the words on the lines below. The first one is done for you. So they put TH and OUGHT together to make the word thought. All right, look at the piece that says go on it. You could probably put that with go fur, P-H-E-R, gopher. You should be going across the page. Look at the piece that has the P-I-E. And then the other half that goes with it, you can see how it's broken, is the C-E for peace. P-I-E-C-E. If you look at the broken pieces, you can figure out which ones go together. All right, the bottom row. Look at the C, the one that has just the C on it. Which one do you think it goes with? If you turn it sideways, it goes with the A-U-G-H-T. Alt. All right, for the next one, look at the cookie part that has M-O-N on it. Which part do you think goes with the M-O-N? You need to turn it sideways and look at it. Money. And then for the last one, look at that TH cookie. Which piece of the cookie does it go with? The EY for they. You can pause the video and make sure you have your answers in the blank. Okay, if you're done with that, that is the end of this lesson.